Let me guess. You spend hours hunched over your computer, meticulously editing videos, tweaking every tiny detail, hoping against hope that this is the one, the video that finally goes viral. You pour your heart and soul into every frame, every transition, and every piece of audio, thinking this effort will pay off. And what do you get? A handful of views, if you're lucky. It's disheartening, isn't it? You check your analytics and the numbers just aren't there. Maybe your mum leaves a comment, or perhaps a close friend gives you a thumbs up. But let's be honest, that's not enough to keep you motivated. It's enough to make you want to give up on the whole YouTube game, isn't it? The frustration builds up and you start questioning if it's all worth it. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way that doesn't involve endless hours of manual editing and guesswork? What if I told you that you can automate your entire YouTube Shorts channel using AI? Imagine having a tool that does the heavy lifting for you, and not just automate it, but create videos that actually get views, subscribers, the lot. Videos that resonate with your audience and keep them coming back for more. And what if I told you you could do it all for free? Yes, you heard that right. No expensive software or subscriptions needed. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use AI to generate viral YouTube Shorts, step by step. From start to finish, you'll learn everything you need to know. We're talking script writing, voiceovers, video editing, even picking the right topic, all with AI. These tools can handle it all, making your life so much easier. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to reveal a secret strategy that can 10 times your views overnight. This is a game changer you won't want to miss. You don't want to miss this. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of AI-powered YouTube success. Okay, first things first, we need to pick a topic for our shorts. This is the foundation of your content, and getting it right can make all the difference. Now, you could just guess, throw something at the wall and see what sticks, hoping for the best. But that approach is risky and often leads to wasted effort. Wouldn't it be better to know what people are already watching? Understanding the current trends can give you a significant edge. That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than any human can. There's a free tool called Trendly AI that scours YouTube and TikTok for trending topics. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. It analyzes millions of videos and tells you exactly what's blowing up right now. This way you can focus your efforts on what's already proven to be popular. Let's have a look, shall we? This tool can save you hours of guesswork and research. See, right now it looks like ChatGPT side hustles is huge. This is a hot topic that's capturing a lot of attention. People are desperate to make money with AI, so that's our golden topic. It's a subject that resonates with a wide audience. We're not going to just copy those videos, though. We need to add our unique twist to stand out. We're going to use this as a springboard to create something even better. By leveraging trending topics and adding our unique perspective, we can create content that not only attracts viewers, but also keeps them coming back for more. Now we need a script, because even AI-generated videos need some kind of structure. Without a solid script, the video can feel disjointed and lose the viewer's interest. Luckily, we don't need to spend hours racking our brains trying to come up with the perfect lines and flow, because ChatGPT can do it for us. This AI tool is incredibly powerful and can generate scripts in a matter of seconds. Here's the exact prompt you're going to use. Write a high-energy, 45-second YouTube short script about your topic. This prompt is designed to get the AI to produce something snappy and engaging. Make it fast-paced, engaging, and end with a strong hook to keep viewers watching. The hook is crucial to retain audience attention. Now, because we're going for that ChatGPT side hustle angle, let's try it with that topic. This will make the content more relevant and interesting. Let's try it with that topic. Okay, that's actually not bad. The initial output is promising and gives us a good starting point. It's a bit robotic though, isn't it? A little too AI generated. We need to make it sound more natural. Let's refine it a bit. We can tweak the script to add a more human touch. We can use a follow-up prompt. Make it sound more human with a conversational tone and natural flow. This will make the script more relatable and engaging. There we go. That's much better. The script now feels more authentic and less mechanical. Sounds like something a real person would say. This is key to connecting with your audience. And just like that, you've got a script for a potentially viral YouTube short. With the right tweaks, AI can be a powerful tool in your content creation arsenal. Now, we could just use ChatGPT's built-in voiceover feature, but let's be honest, it sounds a bit, well, robotic. We want our video to sound professional, right? That's where ElevenLabs comes in. This tool generates incredibly realistic voiceovers. Seriously, it's like listening to a real person. So we paste our script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice. Let's go with a British accent, why not? Adjust the tone to energetic and hit generate. And listen to this. play AI-generated voiceover. See? Sounds great, but here's a pro tip. If you want to make it sound even more natural, add some human-like imperfections to the script. Things like well or can break up the robotic tone and make it sound more conversational. Chapter 4, Generating Video Clips with AI. Okay, we've got our script, our voiceover, now we need some visuals. And you guessed it, we're using AI for that too. Head over to InVideo and check out their generative media tool. This thing is magic. You paste in your script and it automatically finds relevant stock footage to match. Make sure you select fast-paced edits and dynamic scene transitions to keep those viewers hooked. Oh, and here's a secret hack. Use the speed ramping feature to add a cinematic effect. It's a subtle change, but it makes your shorts look way more professional and engaging. Chapter 5, Adding Viral Captions. Now, you might be thinking captions are just for accessibility, but they're actually a secret weapon for going viral. Why? Because they keep people watching. Think about it, when you're scrolling through shorts, are you more likely to stop for a video with big, bold text, or one with just a talking head? Exactly. Use InVideo's auto caption feature or a free tool like CapCut to add animated text to your shorts. Studies have shown that videos with captions get 80% more watch time. And more watch time equals more views, which equals YouTube pushing your video to even more people. Chapter 6, Optimizing for Virality. Okay, we're almost there. We've got our AI-generated short, but we can't just upload it and hope for the best. We need to optimize it for the YouTube algorithm. First up, the title. You need something that grabs attention, so something that makes people stop scrolling. Here's a formula that works, shocking stat, plus curiosity hook. For example, 90% of people still don't know this AI trick. See, it's intriguing, it makes you want to click. Next, the thumbnail. Keep it simple, big text, high contrast, and an emotion on the face. A shocked face, an excited face, whatever fits your video. Get this right, and YouTube will do the rest. Chapter 7, The Secret Hack Keeping Viewers Hooked. Alright, here's that secret hack I promised you. Instead of uploading just one short, upload 3 back-to-back. That's right, create a mini-series around your topic. Why does this work? Because YouTube loves bingeable content. When someone finishes watching one of your shorts, they're primed and ready for more. And if you've got another one queued up, YouTube will automatically recommend it to them. This trick alone can skyrocket your watch time and get your videos trending. Trust me, it's a game changer. Outro. Let AI do the hard work. So there you have it, a complete system for creating viral YouTube shorts on autopilot, all powered by AI. Now, if you found these tips helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you'll be the first to know when I drop more AI hacks like this. And let me know in the comments, which AI tool should I test next? Until then, stay curious and let AI do the hard work for you.